The purpose of this video is to explore the chase behavior demonstrated by Gambel's quail using Tinbergen's 4 levels of analysis. Tinbergen's 4 levels of analysis will help explain essentially why an animal behaves a certain way. The setting for this footage is Gold Canyon, Arizona in the month of August at a bait station. Here we have many Gambel's quail gathered. August typically lies outside of the breeding season for the Gambels, which is further supported by the fact that we are observing a few separate coveys of quail ranging from 3 to 8 members in size still intact. So it is assumed that the behavior is one of hierarchical dominance, not of male sexual aggression. The video captures the chase behavior of Gambel's quail. The chase begins when one quail notices another individual, walks directly toward, lowers his head and belly, and charges at the other individual to get them to leave the immediate area. Tinbergen's first level of analysis, causation or mechanics, explains this behavior in terms of the proximate. It asks, how is this behavior executed? Well, one example of a causal mechanism includes hormones, particularly testosterone, which knowingly stimulates aggressive behavior in quail. So it's in the quail within his genes that drives this behavior. Tinbergen's second level of analysis, development or ontogeny, also explains this behavior in terms of the proximate. It considers more of the quail's early life and environment because much of the behavior demonstrated is not just under the control of its genes, but also learned. In the video, we have some juvenile members of a large covey present. They are learning dominant behavior directly from the adults by watching these encounters. So they will copy this behavior and act it out themselves because they have learned how to be aggressive directly. Tinbergen's third level of analysis, evolution or phylogeny, aims to explain this behavior in terms of the ultimate. It asks, why does a Gambel's quail act out aggressively to gain a dominant status via the chase behavior? Will they act out, supplant the other to gain dominance because that is what their ancestors must have done? They inherited this behavior from their ancestors. The fourth and final level of analysis, function or adaptation, aims to explain this behavior in terms of the ultimate. We'll ask why once again. Well, it is likely that the chase behavior we have seen is a trait that evolved to solve a reproductive and survival problem in the ancestral environment. There is a direct fitness benefit to behaving aggressively and dominantly. It could be for rival deterrence, to increasing foraging success, or to ensure access to females down the road. Either way, it has benefited the quail to perform this behavior. Alright, well thank you for tuning in and learning about the chase behavior in Gambel's quail. I hope you enjoyed the video.